Hi, in today's video I'm gonna give you a short review, couple of close-ups of Bluetooth device that you can use in Toyota Corolla, so you can use your Android Auto without any cables. Hello again. So last year when I bought this Toyota Corolla, we started using Android Auto from our phone on this beautiful screen in Toyota Corolla. But unfortunately, you always have to use the cable. Otherwise, Android Auto does not work without the cable being plugged into your phone, which also causes a lot of problems because we've noticed within last year that there are a bunch of bugs that cause the connection to be broken all the time. Especially my wife drives this car, and when she drives the long distances, especially to Miami, there is something wrong, or at least with either our phones or with the cable or with the connection of that cable to the port in USB port in Toyota Corolla. So last year we went to the dealership, we replaced that cable that came with this car to see why we are losing connection with GPS all the time. And this solved the problem for a moment, but honestly speaking, there is no other way on Toyota Corolla to use your GPS Android Auto without any cables. But there is a device called CARABC. This is the small Bluetooth device. It comes in a little box and it comes with a little cable. So you can just basically plug this device. This is Bluetooth device that you connect right here, and then you can connect it to the port in your Toyota Corolla, and this should transmit everything Bluetooth to your phone, so you don't need to have your phone connected non-stop to your car. What we also found out since using this for about, I think, 2 or 3 months, when I connected this device directly to the port on the car, we are still, after maybe 2 weeks, started to get some glitches. I don't know if there's connection was bad, or the cable is not as high speed as it should be. So after testing for about 3 months, here's the best configuration. You take this regular cable that came with Toyota, which is high speed, connect it to this device, then you can just put it anywhere you want in the car. So we keep this device basically right here, and it's totally fine. Now all you do is you take your phone, and all you need to do is find the Bluetooth device that is this one. So you connect to smart box, and this is what connects this box straight to your phone via Bluetooth. Once you connect your phone via Bluetooth through this device, you can get your Android Auto working seamlessly on the screen. So no more cables. You don't need to worry about bad connections. It works 99% of the time. Sometimes we get some little glitches, but like every device probably has some little glitches. But this device is needed if you want to use Android Auto. So on the long drives, if you don't want to have it plugged in, that's the only solution. And if you want to get directions, everything works seamlessly.
Head northwest, then turn left.
So this is the only solution that I found, using this device to get Android Auto working perfectly on your car without any cables. And then all you can do is just have a another port plugged in, just if you want to charge it during your trip. In summary, when we had our phone plugged in with the cable all the time, this was causing the problem. I don't know what was causing it. If it's the port or bad connection, but it seems like Android Auto on Toyota Corolla works much better through this Bluetooth device than through the cable. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Otherwise, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.